In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse columns in Excel. If your worksheet feels crowded and you want to focus on just the information that matters, collapsing columns is a clean, reversible way to temporarily hide details without deleting anything. We'll use Excel's group feature so you can tuck columns away and bring them back with a single click. Start by selecting the column or columns you want to collapse. Click the column letter at the top to highlight it. If you want to include several columns next to each other, drag across their letters, or click the first one and extend the selection to the last. This selection tells Excel exactly which columns will be grouped together as a collapsible section. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This is where Excel keeps tools for organizing and analyzing your sheet. You'll find the Group command in the Outline section of this tab. Clicking Group applies an outline to your current selection. Behind the scenes, Excel marks that block of columns as a set that can be folded and unfolded without affecting your data. Once you've grouped the selection, look above the column letters and you'll see a small box with a minus sign. Click that minus sign to collapse the group. The columns you selected will fold out of view, and you'll notice a bracket indicating the grouped area. Your data isn't deleted or changed. It's simply hidden from sight in a structured way. Any formulas that reference those columns will still calculate, and your layout remains intact. When you're ready to bring those columns back, click the plus sign that appears in the same spot. The group expands instantly, restoring the columns exactly as they were. The grouping itself remains, so you can collapse and expand that section as often as you need while working or presenting. A few helpful notes while you use this. Grouping is different from the basic hide feature. Hide conceals columns one by one, while group gives you a clear visual bracket and dedicated plus and minus controls for quick toggling. You can also create multiple groups in the same sheet to manage different sections independently, which is great for detailed reports. And if you share the file, anyone opening it will see the same plus and minus controls, making it easy for them to navigate your layout. That's it. Select your columns, go to Data, choose Group, click the minus to collapse, and use the plus to expand. With this simple workflow, you'll keep your spreadsheets tidy, readable, and presentation ready.